Hello there, this is Ivan and I'm going to show you how to fold an origami bird. Before we start, I recommend you to use at least 10 cm square sheet of paper and has different color on both sides. Let's start with the color side up. First, what we need to do is to fold the paper in half horizontally like this. And then unfold the paper and then turn the paper over. And next, what we want to do is to fold the side of the paper to the center line. And also do the same thing on the other side. Next, turn the paper over and then on one end of the paper, fold it diagonally like this. And unfold and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and unfold. Next, fold the paper up according to this two end point. Next, unfold the model and then fold the paper from this corner up so that it touches on the left side, but please make sure that only crease on the right side, so you only press on around this side. Okay, and then next you unfold it and then fold from this line to meet with the center line. So what you need to do is to fold it like this, and then also the same, only crease at the color part. And then unfold and then do the same thing on the left side. So fold it diagonally like this and then fold it in the sharper diagonal here. Okay, so now when we are done, unfold the paper and then what you see is there are very sharp triangle here. So what you want is to fold down this line while pinching on this part on the right side of the triangle and then close it this part, and then also do the same on this side. You fold, pinch this side and then fold, form a belly fold here, and it will should look like this. Okay, for the next step, fold one side to the left and turn the paper over and fold the other side to the right. Okay, next what we want to form is the bird wings. So what we want to do is to take this one corner and push it down, and then when I push it down we do a squash fold like this. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. So fold down and it actually follow the creases that we made before, so just like this. Okay, and next is to form the wings. You fold up a little bit and then you fold down while leaving some space here, and then you can do this also. You push this corner, you push with your finger and put it inside your inside the flap like this, and then also do the same on the other side. So for up, and follow the other wings, the position, and then leave some other gap, and then form the wings here. Okay, and next what we want to form is the head. How to form the head is to open up the middle side, and then you press down the head. And then after the head is formed, you fold this part carefully. And next what we want to do is the tail. So you can open up this side and then fold from this point to the middle point. Fold it like this. And then actually if you close it right now, the model is complete actually, but this part, this model cannot stand up properly, it will fall down. So what I usually do is to open up and then fold this point up according to these 2 points. And there you go. Right now the model is able to be displayed on top of the table. So right now the model is complete. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any idea on what tutorial to do next, please comment below. And see you again in the next video.